Hey YouTube, what's going on? Another quick video. This video is about the BMW REST feature, the residual heat feature that a lot of people seem to be confused about online, or they don't know how to activate it in their car through coding, through E-SYS. I also have a E92, 2013 E92 I had to do this on. And now I have an F25 2015 X3. To start, some people confuse this climate schedule. So you can set up a timer to basically, at any point during the day, you can just clear out your your vents, open up, and bring in some fresh air into the car to help cool it down. That's one thing, but that is not the rest. That is not the residual heat control. I know some BMWs, some F-Series have it readily available in the climate. This car did not have it. So I broke out the E-SYS software. I started coding the car. I coded the crap out of this car. Got rid of all the funky, silly white lines and on the dashboard and all that stuff. So anyway, I was able to recode the REST feature because I live in the Northeast in the Philly area. It gets cold in the wintertime, so I wanted that feature back in the car. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So I'm going to turn the car off, and I also, okay, it's off. The residual heat feature is going to be right here on the sync button. After coding, there you go. That's it. It's on. Getting out of the car. And there you go. It's still running. So it'll run for approximately 15 minutes, as long as the engine's warm enough and it's cold enough outside. The only drawback is you lose your sync functionality. So as you can see, now that the car is on and I want to use the sync, I cannot use it. And I think there's BMWs that have a separate button just for the rest, but this car doesn't have it. I just reassigned this button to use that residual heat, which I'm going to love in the wintertime. So what happens is with no sync, you do have to manually turn each one by itself. And that's fine. I don't care. Springtime, I'll just code it back to have the sync again. So in the description, I'm going to leave the module and the parameter I had to change to make this happen. And I also had to do the same thing with NCS Expert on the E92. That car... yeah, they took that function away just for the sake of syncing up the temperature, the dual climate control. And I was like, hell with that. I recoded it, put that function back in for the wintertime, and I'll take it back out in the springtime. So again, I don't know why. There's not a lot of information out there on the internet about this, for the F-Series at least, as far as coding it and activating it. So anyway, I hope this helped. And let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, thanks.